Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Movies, Masti and Magic. Well, today I'm going to share a few tips about how to retain money in your wallet. So, many times we do keep our oldest wallet with us and saying कि ये बहुत lucky है, इसमें पैसे हमेशा रहते हैं. Yeah, probably when you buy a new one, you say अरे यार पैसे तो हमेशा खर्च हो जाते हैं. So what are these little things that can help us keep our money with us and keep on attracting more money? So here are a few tips. First and foremost, gather all the money that you have. Maybe you have a big purse, and then in that big purse you have your wallet in. So don't leave any loose changes in your purse, whether it's a tenner or even if there are coins. Don't just shove them in your bag. Collect everything, sort them out, and then keep them very nicely, compartmentalize them in your wallet. So when you keep your money, don't fold them into very small portions. Keep them nice and straight. All your notes. Keep your changes in the change section. You need to respect money. You can't just dump everything inside. Like I said before, respect money and money respects you and it comes to you, right? Also try and keep something small that gives out a good fragrance, maybe a pocket perfume or anything else which will make your wallet feel good. I know it's not a living thing, but the energy that your wallet experiences, it's going to give you a lot of it back. And of course we all know that money is energy, so let's have some good energy in our wallets. Do not put medicines and things which are going to make your wallet stink. So let it feel nice and feel fresh. And other thing, when somebody gives you money, I know it sounds a little weird, but try and take money with both your palms facing upwards. The money that others are giving you, please take it this way and say thank you. Take the money that you have and say I love you. I know it sounds weird, but it is important. Make your money feel good. Money is going to make you feel good and it's going to come to you. Also, never ever take or give money with cross fingers this way. Do not give money this way. Respect it, like I said, and give it very respectfully. Keep your cards also very nicely and safely. Tell your cards also I love you. Don't keep cards that have deaths. Don't keep those in your wallet. Another very important tip, do not keep any bills in your wallet. Any bill, any restaurant bill, or it could be a shopping bill, or even for that matter the receipt of your card. Do not keep all of those in your wallet. Let your wallet be clear of those things. And another thing which I would recommend, which I have been keeping since a very long time, is a note folded in a particular fashion. I'll just show you how to fold this note, and believe me, this pattern, I've kept this since I don't know how many years now, but it will never allow your wallet to be empty. Okay, it's always going to be full. So I'll just show you very quickly how this works, how to do this kind of a fold. So you can take any denomination of the note. I've taken a 50 rupee note here and make a triangle, fold it this way. The second triangle that you fold should be a little not aligned, it shouldn't be like a rocket that we make. Leave a little gap here and here. Once this is done, the triangle which we folded first, which was in perfect alignment, we fold half of it backwards. Okay, and the other one which wasn't in alignment, we fold half of it on the front side. All right, and then you just cover it this way. This is your triangle. Okay, it's the money triangle. You keep it in your wallet very safely and just see how miraculously it works. Believe me, your wallet will never be empty. So have a neatly aligned wallet and follow this magical wallet trick, and let me know in your comments if it works. Do like, subscribe, and share my channel Movies, Masti and Magic. And I'll be back soon with a few more magical tips for you. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay blessed.